What's up, guys?
And it's on your broccoli.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
What's up?
Hi.
I just didn't close the back good.
Oh well.
So we're delivering some. What is that? Some fruits.
Yeah.
Fruits and vegetables to one of our friends over here.
This is the one she just harvested.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. She just harvested that this morning.
We went here for a party that day.
Yeah. So now we're giving it to our friends and family.
For money.
Yeah.
For money.
I don't know if they're gonna pay your mom, but I don't know.
No.
Maybe it's a barter system, guys. Maybe they'll give us something in return, which is usually the case.
You mean trading? There's an ant on me.
Yeah, trading.
There's ant on me. There's an ant on me.
There. All right, guys. Check out the weather. It is overcast.
It's like doo-doo.
Where's the blue skies? What happened to the blue skies, guys? Let's.
Oh, die.
There it is, guys. Where is it? Where's the blue skies? I don't see any blue skies. Oh well. Let's head over to the west side already.
Wait, can they put on my gun?
Go ahead. Wow! We're over here at Kalena's once again because Jess has a craving for it. Look at that smile on Jess's face.
Oh, right there.
Oh yeah!
Oh my God! You gotta show it me.
What?
Oh,
excuse me.
I've been.
All right, Jess, what you got from Ishihara Market? What did you get? We got good food, and also Jess picked up a new calendar. Is it for 2021, Jess?
Yeah, 2021.
What is that? Okay. Oh wow, island.
It's 2021.
Women of the Islands.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Let's see the backside. It shows
Okay,
you.
so-
Oh, okay, cool. All the bikinis, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Bikini wonders. Nice, very nice. All right, guys. Kiddos are. Let's see. What's up, guys? So yeah, we're over here in Waimea at one of our favorite stops, Ishihara Market. Kiddos are. Hi, Liza. Oh, hey, Liza. Oh, Mr. Ethan boy is awake actually. Yeah. So yeah, now we're just gonna find a spot to eat, and then we're good to go, right, Jess? Is that right?
Yeah.
Wow, very nice, Jess. What's up, guys? We're over here in Waimea, right, guys? In Waimea, we just picked up some poo-poos. Taking the back roads to get back to the main road. I just wanted to show you guys this crooked coconut tree right over here, guys. Look at that crooked coconut tree.
Oh my God.
And the beach area right here, guys. What do you call that? The pier, Jess? Is that right?
I think so. I don't know.
The pier, Waimea Pier, guys. Let me give you a little view of the Waimea Pier. Okay, let's see. Let me adjust the 360 camera. We'll do that in post so you can see it. There it is.
It's like on the lens.
There it is. Oh, you know what? Let's go get a better view over there.
In the bathroom.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, by the bathroom area, but let's not go out. There's some shady people around here. Okay, let me show you guys. Show you. Oh, we didn't bring the basketball. Okay, we should gonna shot some basketball action. All right, over there, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just take a little spin.
Around.
Yeah. It's nice right here if I can, what do you call that? Do on time warp. And you walk to the pier, and then you come back.
Already.
Yeah, it's nice.
I think what is a good part of sitting down?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. You guys want to walk to the pier a little bit? Oh, he's sleeping. Yeah. Hi guys, what's going on? Where are we at? Huh? Read it, Ethan. Read it. Read it.
Oh wait, I have to use the bathroom.
Oh, I'm up here. Don't touch anything. Yeah.
Oh, they have the horse, and they have the horse right there. Right there, the horse. Oh.
Yeah. Okay, guys, give you guys a little history.
like, hold on,
Yeah, wait for your sister.
Oh, what happened?
In the bathroom. Who?
Mhm.
Your sister.
Yeah, what is it?
Yeah, there's sharks in here.
Big sharks or small sharks?
I don't know. Any kind. Go ahead, hurry up before people come. Go. What's up, guys? Good boy Robert. I hope the wind noise is not too bad. Right, Ethan boy? Yeah. On the Waimea pier. Beautiful. A lot of people come here to fish. Really beautiful spot. These are the beautiful islands of Kauai. Oh, be careful, RJ.
There's a feeling in my soul, can't defeat it. I lose control on your marks. Get set, are you ready to go?
Alright, guys. Made it to MacArthur Park, guys. Right over here in Kikaha. It's a nice beach area. You got little pavilions for you to get out of the sun. And we got a lifeguard over there. Check it out, guys. Got a lifeguard. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. There are grilling areas here. Check out the beach, guys. Look at this pavilion, guys. It's right. Look at that. Look at this pavilion, Jessie. This is cool.
Yeah.
Wow. This pavilion is actually really nice. Look at this. This is right bunk right there. Right there to the beach, guys. Oh my goodness. Where are you going?
You're gonna go check it out there.
Oh, okay. Look at that. And you got the lifeguard too.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Lifeguard.
How do you like it, Jess? Nice over here?
Yeah, but not for swimming.
Yeah, not for swimming, but yeah. Look at this.
Yeah.
Still gonna swim. Look at that bunk.
There's a feeling